front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and hit all photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, scroll all the way down, choose Photos at the bottom, click on your photos you want to add and select Add at the bottom right corner. Then swipe up. If you want to take a photo and add it, select Photo here, pick a camera and take it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!